Welcome to Technology Hub, your premier destination for the latest in tech news, insightful reviews, and the hottest comparisons in the industry. Today, we delve into our exciting lineup starting with the much-anticipated camera showdown. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S24 Ultra versus iPhone 16 Pro Max. As early camera comparisons emerge, both YouTubers and tech sites are buzzing, offering intriguing side-by-side tests. The Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces a new 50MP ultra-wide camera equipped with a brighter f/1.9 aperture. Is it the game-changer enthusiasts have been waiting for? We'll dissect the improved AI enhancements and the ProVisual engine to see if these upgrades truly outshine competitors or if the differences are merely marginal. Next up, we explore the Big Me Hybrid, a smartphone boasting a fast e-ink display. In this review, we break down its unique features and assess its real-world performance. Shifting focus to affordability without compromise, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is a budget-friendly powerhouse. Discover how it surprises with impressive features and performance that punch above its weight class. On the performance front, the Honor Magic 7 Pro defies expectations with its smaller battery. The Honor Magic 7 Pro runs with marathon efficiency, highlighting why its operational prowess surpasses competitors. For users seeking durability and functionality, the Doogee Fire 6 presents an intriguing option with thermal imaging capabilities and a robust battery, making it ideal for adventurers on a budget. Music enthusiasts prepare to be enthralled, as the ZTE Nubia Music promises audiophile-level sound quality. Our in-depth analysis unpacks its auditory performance along with overall device capabilities. Additionally, for a fresh take in the tablet market, the TCL 50 Pro NXT Paper revives the matte display trend. Review its unique design and standout features in a crowded field. The Xiaomi 15 Pro, a premium smartphone beast, stretches boundaries in both performance and style. Investigate whether it sets new industry standards. In gaming, the Xbox Series X faces a fierce sales battle as the PS5 continues its dominance. Uncover the reasons behind the numbers and their impact on the gaming landscape. Beyond these highlights, we have all the latest on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7's leaked camera specs and an innovative, affordable surveillance storage solution with the Reolink Home Hub Pro. Remember to stay tuned for more. Like, comment, and subscribe to Technology Hub, ensuring you hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Stay connected for the best in tech reviews and news.